de la SWR? Vous voulez des explications? Vous voulez savoir? Why Jesus? Why? Vous allez en avoir. Triple P devait être une équipe de 3 personnes. Prophet, Parasite et Patrice Lacroix. Notre but était de travailler ensemble afin de devenir la puissance de la SWR. Mais la réalité, c'est qu'il fallait tout le temps que Jeremy the Prophet Barna soit en avant-scène. Il fallait toujours que tout tourne autour du Prophet. Le spotlight devait être toujours sur le Prophet.
I was on the biggest show this province has ever seen, TOW, and I goddamn stole it. Like I do here. I steal the goddamn show every night. Am I right? All I gotta say is we're supposed to be a team. I want to know I can trust you. You and I have been up and down the roads together.
Yeah.
I consider you one of my very best friends in this business. That's the honest to God truth. And I consider you just the same. We're like blood.
Wants to come in here and film us. You want to film this, but I step in there. I'm not going to go in there and wrestle. You're not going to see hammer locks and arm locks and takedowns. No, you're going to see me taking this fist, jam it down someone's throat. You're going to see me take someone by the head and put my knee right into their skull. You're going to see, I'm going to hurt somebody. I'm going to hurt somebody. I'm going to hurt somebody. You know what? That show.
Let me crazy.
Do it too. We're going to hurt
you. The brain damage is a strong announcement.
Lorsque j'avais eu la chance de remporter le titre international de la SWR, il exigeait un combat de championnat contre Night Stalker, mon adversaire. Il démontrait aucun appui envers mon égard. Puis en plus, il voulait ma place. Il voulait me voler mon spotlight.
And as for you, whether it's me or you, one of us is going to take down the fat man and is going to wear that belt.
Lorsque j'ai perdu mon combat de titre versus carrière, contre Stalker, bien sûr, la première chose qui est venue à l'idée, c'est pas de tout tenter de me ramener à la SWR, ou de penser à ma carrière, ou de même penser à son ami. Non. Sa première idée a été de remporter le titre contre Night Stalker.
We don't need to worry about that. We don't need to worry. No, it's going to be fine. I've been there the whole time. Yeah, you were with him before. I was there too. I understand what it's like. It hurts me too that he's gone. But you know what? I'm not going to take this and let this negative rest in my soul. No, I'm going to turn this negative into a positive. I got a next show. I'm the number one contender. I got a next show, and I'm going to avenge the loss of my fallen friend. Let it go, man. Let it go. When I take that belt,
You're my friend. You will do this for me.
I am absolutely your friend. I'm going to take that belt from him.
Come on,
That's
guys.
going to crush him morally. And what's physically left of him is going to be all yours to do what I know deep down in your soul, the darkness that lives there, to let it all out and take him apart.
Encore une fois, une autre preuve que Triple P existait pour le profit exclusif de Prophet. Ça faisait longtemps que Night Stalker me disait que Prophet m'utilisait pour l'aider, qu'il voulait pas que j'aille de la place au soleil. Je le croyais pas, mais quand il est revenu officiellement dans la SWR, c'était pour me le prouver qu'il avait raison.
Where the hell were you? Where the hell were you? And you should know better than this. You should know better than I took you under my wing. We're supposed to be a team. But where were you two?
Puis j'ai enfin vu la vérité. Puis c'est là que j'ai accepté de devenir Patrice l'Antéchrist Lacroix. Maintenant, je suis un membre de Brain Damage. Triple P. C'est mort et enterré. La nouvelle force dominante de la SWR. Brain Damage.